Hey guys, good day to everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today, once again, we are reviewing the happenings sa PSEi, no? So, this is our market recap for today, December 11, 2019. So, let's go straight to it. PSEi closed today at 7,786.41, up by 50.23 points or 0.65%. It's a really good day, I would say, kasi we are up. Although hindi ganun kalakihan, pero still, ito na lang yung makikita natin eh. Kung mapapansin nyo, in the past few days, talagang up and down, up and down. Naka-sideways talaga yung market natin. So, wala. We just have to grab whatever is given to us. No? And in terms of volume, we have picked up the volume 5.29. If you remember, kahapon we are at around 3.5 billion turnover, but today 5.29. Still malayo pa rin siya doon sa daily average natin for the year of about 7.5. Pero syempre, siguro ngayon talagang full blown na yung holiday season. Everybody is already awaiting the Christmas season, so hindi na masyado nagtitrade. So ayun, we are still at net foreign sell today of about 470 today 470 million. The advancers led for today 98, those decline are 86, and neutral at 53. Now let's go to the 52-week high and lows for today. Ito na, nainis na ako rito sa ads ng Instagram. Sobrang ang kulit niya. Anyways, 52-week high, we have seen JGS had its fair share of highlights today, where it reached 79.3 points. So, it actually closed at 79.3. So this is great. This is a great news to everyone. If you remember kahapon, sabi ko this is a potential breakout or untog phase. Pero on the looks of it, mukha siyang breakout because it registered and closed at its new 52-week high. In terms of the value, wow, okay, 114, which is good. This is a good number for JGS. Let me just quickly check. I wonder kung kumusta yung kanyang closing bid. Kasi doon magkakatalo kung kumusta yung magiging outcome niya tomorrow. A bigger chunk is still at the selling or the ask area. So looking at this one, potentially baka bumaba ito tomorrow. No? Pero hopefully over in the next few minutes, umakyat din siya. In the next couple of hours, umakyat din siya. So hopefully, again, ang talagang tinitingnan ko lang dito is yung volume niya, how strong the volume is. Kasi yun yung magdadrive ng price ng isang stock. So yeah, this is a really good point for JGS. Unfortunately, isa lang ang 52-week high natin today. 52-week low. Okay. The water concessionaires, MPI, DMC, MWC, siguro ay ano ko muna siya kasi I have a news for that. Even ISM is still 52-week low today. Who else? MRSGI is 52-week low. Yes. Kanina umabot siya ng 2.09. So that is the 52-week low. Tech and SLI are also 52-week low today. Yeah. Pero siguro I won't deal with them too much kasi medyo mababa yung volume and well, downward talaga yung trend ng most of the third liner stocks today. Kung may makikita tayong mga lumilipad or ano man, i-grab natin opportunity, which Mamaya, I'll show you a couple of them. Okay? So now, let's go to the news. This is a very hot topic since last week and even kahapon. No? So, MWSS, there was a news. Actually, kahapon ko pa siya nakita. Hindi ko lang na-research masyado. Pero MWSS canceled the Manila Water and Maynilad Concession Agreement extension. Now guys, here's the thing. Ang na-cancel ay hindi yung concession agreement today. Okay? It is the extension. What do I mean by that? Kasi noong 2009, the water concession agreement ni Manila Water at Maynilad was extended. Okay? It was extended supposedly until 2037. No, hindi ako it's not an exaggeration. It's actually 2037. Okay? Pero because of the syempre, rant of the president and nagkaroon ng tawag doon pagpupulong ng mga otoridad. So kahapon they have reached an agreement to cancel that extension. That means it will go back doon sa naunang agreement for Manila Water and Maynilad, which means that the concession agreement will be ending on 2022 pa. Okay? Sa 2022, unless magkaroon na naman ulit ng panibagong pagpupulong to look at the water concession, then hanggang 2022 lang sila. Now, a good question here was, so, okay, now that Manila Water in Maynilad, let's say, kunwari, 2022 na, and walang extension, what will happen to Metro Manila? Kasi Manila Water and Maynilad are the two, alam ko if I'm mistaken, guys, correct me if I'm wrong, but silang dalawa ang nagsusupply ng water sa Metro Manila. Okay? Now, if wala magsusupply, question now is, can MWSS service Manila or Metro Manila for their water needs? Okay? Now, I saw a video kanina na in-interview ang MWSS, and they said that if 2022 will happen today, no, they will not be able to handle it. Simply because, well, MWSS only has around 100, less than 200 employees. So imagine that, and then you are distributing water or managing water distribution for the whole of Metro Manila. So, diba? Ang hirap nun. Now, that is for the news. So how did that affect the market today? Sige, let's try to check we have DMC and MPI for the Maynilad and the Ayala Corp for MWC. Okay, let's check DMC. DMC is down by 13.39%. Wow, ang lalim niya. That's why it's also its 52-week low as well. MWC naman, it is the same. How about MPI? I think same din siya. Yeah, around 13%. Ang bigat nito, guys, kasi remember, MPI, DMC are both what do you call this? Part of the PSEi. So if they are down, definitely affected. Ang laki rin nito, it's we're not just talking about 2-3% down, but we are talking about 13%. No? Interestingly, kanina mga around 1:30, nagkaroon ng voluntary halt because of the water concessionaire issue. So nag-voluntary halt muna sila just to parang makapag-isip-isip kasi sobrang sobrang hirap nung situation nila, and especially with that news. Imagine, guys, nung beginning of the day, up ang MPI and DMC. Let's just quickly check now. Here, so December, you can see sa baba, ito. Itong part na to sa baba, ayan. December 11, it actually opened up at 3.72. Yep, 3.72 hanggang sa market recess, and then pagbalik ng 2:30. Again, di ba sabi ko kanina, 1:30 nagkaroon ng voluntary halt. Pagbalik ng 2:30, boom, bagsak agad yung sinell off agad dyan ng mga traders and investors. So this is the same with DMC. Ayun, kung makikita natin. So si MPI biglang bagsak. Ito naman si DMC, medyo nagdahan-dahan naman siya kahit paano, pero still bumaba pa rin siya, no? So ayun, let me just quickly check kung ano na yung itsura ng nila for tomorrow. DMC, uy, wow, guys, just try and look at this one. This has a really good potential for a good play for tomorrow. Bid is almost 12 million. Let's see MWC. Oh wow, okay. MWC is wow, sell off pa siya tomorrow. Ano yung tinignan ko niya? MPI ba? MPI yata. No, DMC yung kanina. Pero ngayon, MPI. MPI is still on a selling tomorrow. So, I would stay away with MPI for now. But DMC is looking really good. DMC. I think AC is also down pero hindi ganun kalaki. 3.7, still malaking dagok pa rin sa Ayala Corp to, pero hindi siya ganun ka-affected. Hopefully maka-recover siya by tomorrow. Let me quickly check. Anong itsura ni AC? Oh, no. Medyo mabigat pa rin yung yung sellers dito. So I expect na by tomorrow pababa pa rin tong si AC. No? Okay, so that's it for the water concessionaires. There's another news that came out kanina, which is the voluntary trading suspension of Pepsi Cola Philippines, PIP. So what has happened here is that another company called Lotte Chilsung Beverage Company has offered na ba or has already acquired. They have acquired 2 billion common shares of Pepsi through tender offer to all shareholders. No? And the interesting part here is that the price is hindi ko siya mahanap teka lang. The price is at 1.95 per share. Saan yun? Wala ko makita. Ba't hindi ko siya makita? Oh, weird. Hindi ko makita. Pero yeah, basically the news is that there will be a tender offer of Lotte Chilsung Beverage kay Pepsi Cola for 1.95. Because of that news, nagkaroon ng voluntary trading suspension muna si PIP, and it will resume tomorrow at 1:40 p.m. Okay? Now, why this is a news? Let me quickly show you. So PIP is currently trading at 1.40. So imagine if tomorrow it opens up the market, I can see that it can go up to 1.95. Okay? And 1.95 is how much? Ilang percent siya? Let's check. 1.95. There you go. Almost 40% up tomorrow. tomorrow. So potentially this will be a gap up play for tomorrow at 1:40 p.m. Okay. So yun, abangan din yung si PIP tomorrow. Mukhang maganda yung trading sa kanya. And my last news for today is eto kahapon na mention ko to. One of the news kahapon was regarding the Udenna Corp, the share swap, the renaming of ISM to Udenna, etc. etc. Okay. Now, there was an amendment on the news kahapon, if I'm not mistaken, kasi may mga nagko-comment din sa Facebook na hindi na itutuloy. So I did some research and mukhang hindi nga siya natuloy. Ngayon, so yeah, since hindi na siya natuloy, and if you remember kahapon, di ba, because of that share swap, bumaba ng almost 13%. Right now, because binawi, since binawi yung news, initial instinct is baka mag-gap up, may balik yung 13% na binaba niya kahapon. So let's check. And no, hindi pa rin. Mas lalo siyang binentahan. Let's check on the kung kumusta siya. Ang closing ISM. Wala. Hindi naman masyadong erratic or volatile yung kanyang bid and ask, pero still this is a 52-week low for ISM at 7.4. What 7.4? Ay, sorry, high pala to, at 3.21. So it's a downtrend. Potentially medyo aangat siya ng konti, pero I trust it na bigla siyang mag-gap up. So ayun, remember, trend is your friend. Kung downtrend yung isang stock, don't bother, just wait it out. Hintayin nyo na lang na mag-rebound na siya or mag-reverse. Okay, so that's it for the news today. Now I'd like to talk about two stock. Ay, actually nakwento ko na yung about sa JGS, no? JGS had a 52-week high, so that's a good stock to watch out. The next stock was Bicor. So Bicor, nakwento ko na rin siya last week, and from the down kahapon, mukhang sumundo lang ng ilang katao, and then now up ulit siya. I remember nasa around 3.4 something lang siya, or I think 3. Itong level lang siya last week nung sinabi ko na this is a potentially good play. Why? Because it is already forming a cup and handle pattern. Tinatry ko siyang so ayan, potential target price for Bicor is in this area, which is 450. So that is the potential target price, and it could either break out or untog. Pag nauntog, it will form a handle. No? If it breaks out, then it breaks out. Yay! Sa lahat ng may hawak kay Bicor. Okay, so I think this is still good, pero I'm kapag ganito na yung stock, no, I would also, kahit na maganda, may potential na TP, I would still look at the upside. So the upside for this one is around 10%. I'll leave it to you. Is 10% worth it? No? Remember, everyone is already anticipating it to go at 450. So I won't be surprised kung halimbawa at this level pa lang, nasa 430, may mga magdadahan-dahan na mag-sell off ng kanilang holdings para lang ma-realize na nila yung gains nila. Okay? But if cup and handle continues, or if the cup continues, then we are looking at the 450 peso range. Okay? So, um, ayun, I think that is all for me today. Oh, by the way, sige, meron lang kasi ako nakita kanina. Yeah, si Chelsea. So, medyo interesting siya kasi I know it's down by 4%. It's already at 5.27. Pero if you can see here, masyado na siyang malapit sa kanyang low of 508. So I would encourage you guys to add this to your watch list for a potential reversal at this level. Okay. Now, how I would trade this one is I will wait for this na bumalik siya, umangat siya. If it's so and maganda yung volume, then that means it's a potential reversal na sa kanya. No? Ayan. So yan, I think yun lang yung item ko today. Once again, thank you guys for showing support. I know hindi tayo ganun karami, pero I really appreciate those who are listening, watching the videos that I upload every day or every night, or sorry, almost almost every night. If you have any question or any type of videos that you are interested in, just leave a comment below. Go to our Facebook page, leave me a comment there, leave me a message, DM me, walang problema. And tell me something kung ano yung gusto nyong makitang video, and I'll try my best to create a content for you. Okay? So that is it for today. Thank you guys for joining me once again, and I do hope you have a really good trading week this week. Have a great day. Bye bye.